AI is advancing at lightning speed. From automating tasks to making complex decisions, artificial intelligence is reshaping the job market like never before. But here's the big question. Will AI take your job, or will it create brand new opportunities? Let's find out what the future of work in 2025 really looks like. Welcome to our channel Eye2Future. Let's be real, some jobs are at risk. AI systems like ChatGPT, IBM Watson, and Tesla's full self-driving AI are revolutionizing industries. ChatGPT is handling customer service inquiries, Watson is analyzing legal and medical data, and Tesla's AI is eliminating the need for human drivers. Automated checkout systems, self-driving delivery trucks, and AI-powered assistants are replacing traditional roles faster than ever. But is it all bad news? Not exactly. While AI eliminates some jobs, it's also creating new ones. The demand for AI specialists, data scientists, and machine learning engineers is skyrocketing. Platforms like OpenAI Codex are helping developers write code faster, while Google DeepMind is solving complex scientific problems. Plus, industries like AI-driven art, virtual reality experiences, and automation ethics consulting are opening up brand new career paths. The key? Adapting and upgrading your skills. The future isn't AI versus humans, it's AI with humans. Businesses are shifting towards collaborative intelligence, where AI handles repetitive tasks, and humans focus on creativity, critical thinking, and emotional intelligence. Imagine having Siri or Alexa as an advanced work assistant that schedules meetings, generates reports, and even drafts emails while you focus on innovation. That's the workplace of 2025. So how can you stay ahead in this AI-powered world? Here's what you need to do. Learn AI and tech skills. Coding, data analytics, and AI ethics are the future. Develop soft skills. Creativity, leadership, and problem-solving will always be valuable. Embrace lifelong learning. The best way to stay relevant is to keep evolving. The future belongs to those who are ready for it. AI is not here to steal your job. It's here to change how we work. The question is, will you adapt and take advantage of the AI revolution, or will you be left behind? Tell us in the comments, how do you see AI impacting your career? And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the future of work.